Continuing from the last podcast, which was discussing the supplication found in chapter 26, verse 83.
And he said, My Lord, grant me authority and join me with the righteous.
The final aspect of this supplication indicates the importance of good companionship. This has been extensively discussed in a separate podcast series titled Companionship. But to sum up, the Muslim who desires to end up with the righteous servants of Allah, the Exalted, in the next world, must accompany them and follow in their footsteps in this world. Just like a person would not end up with their friend if they walked a path other than their friends in this world, similarly, a Muslim will not end up with the righteous in the next world if they journey down a path other than theirs. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 3688, where the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, declared that a person would end up with those they love in the hereafter. The proof of one's love is not a verbal declaration, it is a practical declaration, where one follows in the footsteps of their beloved, if they desire to end up with them in the hereafter. It is important for a Muslim to accompany the righteous and encourage their dependents to do the same, as a person undoubtedly adopts subtle or apparent characteristics from their companions. This has been indicated in a narration found in Sunnah, Abu Dawud, number 4833. If a Muslim accompanies evil people, they will undoubtedly adopt evil characteristics, and up with them in the next world. Chapter 43, verse 67.
Close friends, that day, will be enemies to each other, except for the righteous.